like a Hellcat.
Good afternoon, YouTube. Got a package today that I am going to unbox, and this one is a budget basher. One I bought, and I want to show you too real quick that I got another one the other day. The original one I had broke, so I went and bought myself another one. Was this one. Don't mind the noises in the background, just people behind the room over. I bought this. Decent little basher. It's a WL Toys XKS, I think it is. I forgot the numbers, but it's nice. Has a light bar up here and everything. It runs on a Li-ion battery. It's a brushed motor, so it's nice. So alright, let's get this unboxing going. Alright. Make sure this box is in the screen. This is taped up weird. I don't know why they do this. There's a way of ruining the box. Let's see if I can just look here. Drop that. Sit there. How are they looking? Alright, I'm going to stand over here so we can kind of just go over it a little bit. This is that new Quantum series they got coming out. It's from HPI. This is right over there. This is it's HPI. It's got the tag on it. It's a seal. Well, you know who makes the company or who makes this. But they got a whole series of vehicles they've been coming out with lately. So, I usually do my shopping on eBay, Amazon, Walmart. This I found on eBay, but the only one they had, I wanted the Truggy, but I couldn't find the Truggy anywhere. So I found this one, and this one's pretty decent. I like this one. It's a monster truck. If you see my collection, 90% of my collection is monster trucks, so I'll stick with this one. This has a 2.4 gigahertz radio gear. I don't know why they say gear. It's usually the radio. The flux brushless power, 3S LiPo compatible, pre-assembled chassis, and pre-painted body shell. And then I'll read what it says up here. It says it's a 110 scale, 4-wheel drive, water resistant, pre-painted body shell, ready to run, brushless power, off-road, And it has the radio included. And it basically shows all the electronics and stuff like that. So let's back over here. And I apologize again for any noises. It was just my sister and her boyfriend goofing off. So let's get this unboxing and go through her. I missed it. There we go. On that side. Away. The box is pretty decent. It's not like Red Cat boxes. Red Cat and Arma, they all go through putting in lamination on their boxes, basically. And there it is. That's nice. I like that. Everything is well packaged in here and organized, which is the way I like it. So, get some of this stuff out. That out. This can come out. There. And then this sits on that. Anything else in there? Move that out of the way. Get rid of this. Crisscross it there. Grab my chair and get off this cardboard and we will review it. It's kind of sit tight down. So I got these handy dandy scissors. One and two. Back down. Get rid of this cardboard. With her. Tie in there. Stuff in there with the truck. Wow. I like the stance on that. There's a slow comeback on it. It's alright. I'm not too fussy about this stuff. There's a lot of them out there that are fussy about it. Sounds like a good mesh. We'll go through that in a minute. Let's go through some of this. I have a scissors I could open this, but why? Well, I got this. Okay. Thought I cut it away enough way through, but I didn't. Stuff out. He gave me this little lug wrench. That's nice. For plastic, that's pretty thick. Put the bolts on there. Let's see. Oh, we even got a sticker sheet. Well, they'll obviously put, on there. But there's only 2 more left on it. No biggie. Something to put on the toolbox or something. Quick start guide. It basically tells you what you're going to need. Remote, basically how to operate it. There's no blown up parts or whatever, or explosions. Just basically how to operate it. Which all my cars tell you the same darn thing. This here is a heat sink. You put over the motor, which I'm most likely going to do once I get running. Antenna tube. And here's the remote. Let's see. Nice size remote. My hand will right up inside. Somebody with bigger probably hands could probably operate this. Usually the only time I use one hand is usually on my crawlers. Those are usually good for one-handed control. So let me take this off. And your switches up here. I read the manual. I know these are like steering knobs. Then you got the EPA control blind button and your rear switches up here. And I think there's a light there, like no, it's on. And the power button is back here. Batteries. And that going there. Yes, I keep my batteries in a cup. Which reminds me, I most likely have to get more. I'm not gonna use it. I use it. Use that one. I usually get my batteries from like Harbor Freight because you get $5 for a 24 pack of batteries, which in all reality you really can't go wrong. That's that. Put it all the way. Put this back on. No problem with that one. Some light. All set. Let's get in this bad boy. Like that shell. It's not as thick as some, but it's probably gonna hold up to some bashing. I might have to end up lining it. Other than that, it's pretty good. I'll set that over here for now. So there's everything inside. There's a motor, the AC and fan, steering servo. And here is where your computer is. The receiver for the remote. I'm sorry. Deans, which is awesome to see because all 90% of my batteries are Deans. Battery straps, which are nice. It sits right into a bucket or battery holder. It has a honeycomb kind of design in it, so it's kind of like durable. It should be durable. Metal cap shocks, plastic bodies, and they're pretty good sized shocks too. So bumpers are, has a wheelie bar. Is it adjustable? I don't think it's adjustable. No. When it comes up, it'll hit it. it'll really do the wheeling on the 3S, because you could do 2 and 3S batteries on this. So that's basically what I bought it, because you can do whatever with it. You can use whatever. That's the servo saver. I'll tighten these up. Put this on it. Maybe I might take it for a quick run later. But that is the Quantum Flux. I saw these advertised around Christmas time. And usually they have a brushed version of these too. And they run about 160 to 180. This was about 240. 240 and change. So and what you see there basically, came in the package. There's the Quantum Flux monster truck. There's the XT, which is the extreme truggy. But I got the monster truck, try it out, and when the truggy comes up on the market, I'll probably get that too. But there's also a gray one that has the red rims in it. That really caught my eye too. So whenever that one becomes available and I have the cash on it, I'm going to get it. And then I'll do the unboxing of that one. But I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I have one more coming. That one is going to be a little bit smaller than this. But yeah, I got a good deal on it. So, but I'll hit you up in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope you like this one. I hope there's more on the way. Y'all stay happy, healthy out there. Stay safe. And I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.